So welcome to my 1996 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-7R. It has not been registered since 2013. It has 42,000 kilometers on it. The top end of the engine has been rebuilt, shims have been done. It's in top running order. As you can see here, I have backlit gauges, the adjustments right here. I have aftermarket carbon fiber ram air tubes, which not only make it sound good, but actually reduce weight and just look better, obviously. It's been dropped lightly on this side and a little less lightly on this side on the gravel driveway, but neither one of those resulted in any real damage, just cosmetics. It has a full stainless steel Akrapovic set of headers with a titanium exhaust. This exhaust alone at the time when I bought it was well over $1,500 Canadian. It's got the rear wheel hugger, which was not standard, and undertail elimination, which is very well done. LED lights, LED tail light with integrated lights. The rubber on this thing is pretty much new. The chain is pretty much new. It has a fully adjustable Fox rear shock, which is a significant upgrade from the stock shock. And let's start the bike. It's got a number of other enhancements, braided brake lines, has a factory pro jet kit to so you can more carefully adjust the carburetors, and that was because of the exhaust. So if you wanted to tune this differently, you could with those. The bike works perfectly. It really needs nothing. The only problems with it are cosmetic, and I'm just too old for a sport bike. Anyway, thanks for watching.